Hello, assalamu alaikum. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Today I'll show how to make this object in Solidworks software. So at first I'm taking the new file. Okay. Then I'm selecting the MMGS. Then I'm taking the top plane, go to the extruded boss, click on the center rectangle, sketch it, then go to the smart dimension and it will be 200 millimeters and this portion is 100 millimeters. Okay, exit it. Then it will be 10 millimeters upwards. Okay. Then extrude card is selected, click on the surface, go to here, normal plane is selected, then go in here and center corner rectangle is selected and sketch it, go to the smart dimension and it will be 15 millimeters and distance from here to here it will be also 15 millimeters and from here to here also 15 millimeters and similar way from here to here also 15 millimeters. Then exit it. Then select the through all. Okay. Then I am taking the linear pattern and click on this portion and it will be 25 millimeters distance and 7 pull. Okay, done. Okay, then I'm taking the front plane, I'm going here and I'm taking the front plane and go to the reference geometry plane. Then I'm taking it from origin, I mean 0. Okay, done. Then control 8 is selected or normal plane we can select. Go to the extruded boss and click on the surface, go to here taking the circle and sketch it. It will be 10 millimeters and it will be also 10 millimeters. Okay, it will be also 10 millimeters. Then exit it. Okay, you are watching it. I'm going to the mid plane and it will be 90 millimeters, no 120 millimeters. Okay, done. And I'm taking this merge or we can change it, but I'm fixed it. So okay. Then I'm going here extrude boss and click on this portion, then control